Students, in this video, exercise 2.1, sixth problem, 1 by square root of x plus 1 plus square root of x minus 1. So in this, I'm going to integrate with respect to x. So integral 1 by square root of x plus 1 plus square root of x minus 1 dx. So that is equal to, then denominator we have root of x plus 1 plus root of x minus 1. So you have to take the conjugate of this. So what is the conjugate of root of x plus 1 plus root of x minus 1? Root of x plus 1 minus square root of x minus 1, because I am multiplying the conjugate with the numerator as well as with the denominator. So root of x plus 1 minus square root of x minus 1 divided by square root of x plus 1 plus x minus 1 into square root of x plus 1 minus square root of x minus 1 dx. So the numerator will be the same. So x plus 1 minus square root of x minus 1 whole divided by, this is of the form a plus b, a minus b. A plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So in this you take a as root of x plus 1, b as square root of x minus 1. Write in this form, square root of x plus 1 minus square root of x minus 1, the whole square. Okay, write whole square. So you will get x plus 1 minus x minus 1. So that is equal to x plus 1 minus x plus 1. So plus 6 minus x gets cancelled. You will have 1 plus 1, that is 2. So the denominator it has become 2 into dx. So 1 by 2 when you take outside, square root of x plus 1 minus square root of x minus 1 dx. So that is equal to 1 by 2. When you integrate with respect to x, square root of x plus 1, it will become x plus 1 the whole power 1 by 2 plus 1, because the square root is 1 by 2. So when you integrate this, it will become x plus 1 whole power 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1. Here put minus, again write like this, x minus 1 whole power 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1. Okay, so that is equal to 1 by 2 x plus 1 the whole power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 minus x minus 1 the whole power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. So when you take the 3 by 2 denominator as common, 1 by 2 outside, you will get 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 x plus 1 the whole power 3 by 2 minus of x minus 1 the whole power 3 by 2. So minus the 2 gets cancelled, you will have 1 by 3 x plus 1 the whole power 3 by 2 minus of x minus 1 the whole power 3 by 2 plus c. So this is the answer for this sum. Okay, come to the other problem, which is if f dash of x is equal to x plus b, f of 1 is equal to 5, f of 2 is equal to 13, then find f of x. So given, first write given f dash of x is equal to x plus b. So when you integrate, you will have, I am going to integrate this f dash of x, it will become f of x dx is equal to integral of x plus b. So integrate this, you in the differential, so you will have only f of x, that is equal to integrate this x square by 2 plus bx plus c. So what is your f of x? F of x is equal to x square by 2 plus bx plus c. Still we need to find out the given function f of 1 is equal to 5, f of 2 is equal to 13. So what I am going to do here, in place of x I am putting 1 and in place of x equal to 2. So I am substituting these two values, you will get f of 1 is equal to 1 by 2 plus b plus c. So what is the f of 1 here? Is given 5. 5 is equal to 1 by 2 plus b plus c. So take this 1 by 2 here, 5 minus 1 by 2 is equal to b plus c. So 10 minus 1, 9 by 2. That is equal to b plus c. So consider this equation as 1. So next I am going to take f of 2. Here I have taken x equal to 1. I am going to take x equal to 2 here. Okay. Now the same equation, f of x equation, and substitute here 2 the whole square by 2 plus b into 2 plus c. So what is f of 2 is given? 13. That is equal to 4 by 2. So we will have it cancelled. When it cancelled, it will get 2 plus 2b plus c. So 13 minus 2, that is equal to 2b plus c. So it will become like this, 11 equal to 2b plus c. This is your second equation. So I am taking the 1 and 2 equation you have. So 9 by 2, that is equal to b plus c, and 11 is equal to 2b plus c. Okay. Now this please plus c gets cancelled. Change the sign and cancel it. Here minus, here also minus. So 9 by 2 minus 11 is equal to b minus 2b is minus b. So 9 minus 22 by 2, which is equal to minus b. So what is 9 minus 22, which is so 13 by 2 minus 13 by 2 is equal to minus b. So minus gets cancelled. You have b is equal to 13 by 2. So we supposed to find out c, no? So take and substitute in this equation. So 2b plus c is equal to 11. So 2 into 13 by 2 plus c is equal to 11. So 2 gets cancelled. You will have c is equal to 11 minus 13. So c is equal to minus 2. So what is the question is asked? We should find the f of x. So by substituting the values of b and c, we get f of x finally. That is equal to x squared by 2. What is the b value? Plus 13 by 2x minus 2. So this is your f of x. Understood? Thank you.